A beautiful buttercream dahlia. In this video, learn how to pipe this onto cupcakes, on a flower nail, and also arrangement ideas for the top or sides of a cake. Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. Subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be notified with every new recipe and decorating video that I upload. Start by coloring your buttercream. This is my best Italian meringue buttercream recipe, which is on this channel. This is Wilton yellow and orange with a touch of red. Frozen cupcakes work best. And number 233 grass tip with moss green buttercream for the centers, number 97 Wilton petal tip, and a number 81 for the smaller petals. You can scoop out some of the cupcake to create more depth. Also, it helps to wrap the bag around your forefinger like this. Each petal is piped in an upside down U shape. Create a point on each petal by nicking the edge with the tip. Repeat for the second layer, piping in between the outer layers and angling your tip up slightly. Using the number 81 to make some smaller petals. Squeeze and release as you pull it slightly away. You can use either the number 81 or a very small petal tip, number 61, to create the center petals. If you want to make the petals look more tubular, as they are with some varieties, use the number 97, and as you start to come back down, angle the tip inward. They will be long and skinny. This will take some practicing. It's not an easy flower. Here it is finished. So to make a bud for the dahlias, start with the grass tip number 233, then pipe from the base up and slightly over the stamens with a number 59 petal. Then some greenery with a leaf tip. To make a dahlia on a flower nail, make a support for the flower first. Pipe the outer levels with the number 97. For the second layer and the third layer, I'm using a mum tip this time, number 81. The center was piped with smaller petals around it, just like with the cupcakes. I'm adding small details with the number 1 tip. It's always nice to have frozen flowers ready to use in decorating cakes, so save all your practice flowers, even the imperfect ones. If you find my videos helpful, please share them with your cake friends, and also leave me a comment below to let me know your ideas for future videos. Have a delicious day, and I'll see you in the next video.